I'm Michael Esguera from Silang. Excited, very, very excited. Sea Lion 6, yun yung kinuha namin. And then, kaya namin nagustuhan is yung exterior and interior design, very, very promising. Yung ano namin, very accommodating sila, friendly. At this, nung nagdarabay nga lang kami dito, pumasok lang kami. And we're just planning to check lang. And then, from there, lahat binigay na sa amin. Kaya, andito kami ngayon sa Santa Rosa branch. Ang nag-assist sa amin is Nino and Kyle. So, mahusay sila. Lahat ng tanong namin nasagot nila. And alam nila yung kanilang trabaho about the unit. Yes, so nasagot nila lahat. May extra pa. Maraming bonus. Yes. Ang ano namin dito, na-explain na sa amin na yun nga, yung fuel efficiency, at the same time, combined electric and fuel, you can go 1,000 plus kilometer. So, combined. So, masyadong ano na. At the same time, yung price, ano siya, kayang-kaya ng budget ng iba. Yes, highly recommended si Kyle and Nino. Maganda, saka ano, at home ka dito.